My name is John, and in this presentation I'll show you how to migrate more than one user at a time during batch migration. And batch migration means that you're going to migrate more than one user, but by default one user at a time will migrate, and maybe your system can support maybe 2 or 3 or 4 or more users at one specific time or concurrently, so that your migration can complete faster. What you see in front of you is a transit migrator, and it's been configured to migrate multiple accounts using batch migration, using variables. And this scenario is going from EML files to PST files. So the batch migration is all set up, and so all I have to do now is press the Start Batch Migration button. The batch migration begins. And notice down here to the right we have concurrent migrations. Right now it's set to 1. One user at a time is going to migrate. Bump this up, and now sequentially we'll do it in groups of 3. This is how you run concurrent migrations with Transit Migrator. Notice when you're doing this, keep track of your rate. And I'm using VMware images, so this is really kind of slow, but normally you can expect between 3 and 8 gigabytes per hour doing this. Get an average, find the baseline for whatever your rate is, and then when you start adding concurrent migrations, if you see this rate decreasing, you'll realize, you'll find out that your machine or even your source and target server just cannot handle that many processes running at the same time. So kind of practice, a couple times, practice with some test accounts, find out which machine can handle, and then decide how many concurrent migrations you can run. Thanks for watching.